Yeah, we are in Dijla Gold Refinery FZC stall. It's a UAE-based refinery coming for the first time in IIGC. We want to know about your refinery and talk about your vast business. You are in India, so you must be focusing to expand your business in India. How big is this refinery? What is your capacity? What is going on currently?
Actually, this refinery, we have capacity for 500 kg per day. So far, we produce a very nice volume. More than 30 ton we have did with the refinery. Last year we introduced our refinery. It is all market accepted bars. This Dijla Group basically since 1997 in wholesale jewelry business. Then we started bullion business. We are keeping very good volume in Dubai gold market. Last year we did around 48 ton we sold gold from our counter from Dijla Jewelry Bullion Office, which is in Dera Gold Souk. And from the time to time we was getting demand from our clients and our other partners, associates that if you have a nice volume then you should have a refinery also. So we seriously considered this and we started our refinery last year, and I'm very happy to say that we get very good response and very good support from the market. We are refining for other people also, as well as we are refining for our incoming metals also. So we give service facility to another company. Any company want to refine with us, we do refining for them. We do assaying, and we have 24-hour dealing desk also. Sooner we are looking to expand our business in a market like India.
So what kind of association integration you are looking for in India?
In India, I have discussed with so many companies here in this convention, and they want to take the metal from us. But you know, in India there is some designated companies, designated partners. So we cannot ship to everyone. We can ship only few people. So we are in touch with them, and then we will make talk open with them, and then definitely in coming months we will start to send metals also here.
So as a raw material, you are sourcing, you are refining dore, or you are only on scrap, or both?
Yeah, actually I told you that this company is very famous in UAE, Dijla, and we have a very nice clientele base, good clientele base. So we have enough the supply of metal and have scrap supply also. So we are doing refinery for our metal, which is coming to us, and we are looking for dore also, some partner or mining companies. So with them soon we will start to refine from dore bar also.
So basically now you are depending on your source of scrap.
We are open with other supply.
Production line, you are selling mostly casting bar.
We are selling our 1 kg 995 bar, latest technology, Italian machinery, and good guaranteed SAR.
What is your next plan in next 3 years?
First, because this refinery last year we started, so we want to regulate it more. We want to go for the Dubai Good Delivery, GD certification, and we already apply for LBMA. So we want to go for LBMA because LBMA have criteria that 3 years should be old. So we are just preparing ourselves from now.
Also applied for DGD already?
Yeah, we are also in the process for this. We started and talk to the DMCC authorities, and we will follow the procedure. And next year I hope that we will reach on some development, finish few steps. We also thanks to the organization here and your committee and management here who give us opportunity to interact with the people. It is really nice, and we hope that we will continue next year with the bigger participation, and hopefully we will go for sponsorship also.
Thank you, sir. See you in Dubai next year.